By now you may have thrown out all of your Christmas greenery and even your poinsettias, but there are some plants like this Christmas cactus that can have a life as an interesting houseplant well beyond the holidays. These plants never seem to go out of popularity. You see, it's in part because of the beautiful flowers, but also because the plants can live for a long time, up to 20 years, and they can get as large as you're willing to let them. Well, that may be a slight exaggeration, but let me give you an example. These two plants are about 6 to 7 years old, and I've only repotted them once. Keeping them in smaller containers helps keep the size more manageable. These plants are easy to care for. They just require medium to moderate light, and when it comes to water, about once a week, or when the top half of the soil in the container becomes dry. I fertilize these about once a month with an all-purpose liquid fertilizer. Christmas cactus nearly always flower on cue, making them true to their name. Back in December, they were loaded with flowers, and as you can see now, they're beginning to decline. As the blossoms fade, I just remove the spent bloom. These plants are easily rooted. Just cut a limb at one of these segments, about 2 or 3 from the tip. Stick the cuttings in loose soil or vermiculite and water only lightly for the first couple of weeks so the plant doesn't rot. Once it establishes some roots, begin watering normally, and you'll have lots of plants to give to your friends. From the garden, I'm Alan Smith.